Hi kids, hope so you are doing well. It's beginning of the weekdays and I hope so your online classes have begun. Do enjoy the new session and enjoy the stories that I keep bringing up. Today's story that I have brought, they don't have words. This book is totally filled with pictures. So here you kids have to go through those pictures. Either you sit with your siblings or you sit with your parents, see these pictures and build stories. You have to think here. Every time there were stories were narrated and you just have to think, you just had to listen, but this time you are going to guess what the picture says, and at the end of the session I'm going to show what actually picture speaks, what these pictures and what the author brings a story through these pictures. So let's begin with the book. It's a book totally illustrated by author Ajanta. Okay, and the book is published by National Book Trust. Name of the story. Okay, now I think so kids start guessing. First, see what does this say. Actually you can see it's written opposite, so it says yellow balloon and red balloon. See the picture, the two balloons, yellow and red. Okay, so now first you guess what's a balloon's shape. Yes, it's circular, circle hota hai. So okay, so you have to keep in mind colors, you have to keep in mind shapes, and you have to keep in mind the different characters that you see in the picture. And you may not find character like normal human, like me, like your parents, like your friends, maybe something different. So add those characters what you want to give name, and you can think of a planet that they come from, a different planet, not from Earth. So see the picture. You find two balloons. You find two creatures. So they don't look like us. They may be aliens, or we may be aliens. For them, there is another circle, and these can be leaves. See, I think so you can guess out these planets, है ना? Somewhat like Saturn. The next page. The happy. You have to think about the character. The two characters, either they can be your siblings, like brothers and sister, friends, parents, anyone, whatever you feel like. So what are they doing? They are playing in a ground. And see how happy are they? One is playing with a yellow balloon and another one is playing with the circular red balloon. And the red sky. Okay, the next page. What does the next page say? So they are playing with this circular balloon. What are they making out of them? He made flowers. He got some other things, so he added to this circular balloon and he made flowers. इसने क्या बनाया? इसने fish बनाया. See? यहाँ से इसने कुछ सर्कुलर गोल गोल चीज़ें ली और यहाँ पे उन्होंने पत्ते लगाए, है ना, और फिर क्या बना दिया, फिश। ओ दिस इज गुड ना। एंड नाउ फिश कहाँ पे, इन वाटर। क्या बनाया है, कैन यू गेस द शेप? आई थिंक सो एवरी मॉर्निंग यू सी इट, द सन। एंड सी द ट्री। पेड़ पे क्या है, रेड बलून से क्या बनाया उसने, एक चिड़िया, अ बर्ड। एंड फेदर्स कैसे बनाए, इन पेड़ के पत्तों से फेदर्स बना दिया और यहाँ पे सन के रेज बना दिए। ओके, नाउ व्हाट कैन यू थिंक सीइंग दिस पिक्चर? यस, इसका बलून क्या हुआ, बूम, it blasted, and then he sees her balloon. Oh shit, now what will she do, how will she play? See, she is sad, she is crying, and still he has the red balloon. So let's see, what does he do? Will he share or will he take the balloon and go, saying कि अरे तुमने बलून को सही से नहीं रखा, अब मैं नहीं दूंगा. Like sometimes you people do, you sisters or brothers fighting, नहीं देंगे हम कुछ भी तुमको. But let's see what do they do. Oh, they are good, है ना? They are sharing. The red balloon is being now shared. और अब देखते हैं कि दोनों जब एक बलून मिलता है तो फिर क्या शेप्स और स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं. Now they're happy. क्या बनाया, क्या बनाया इन्होंने? हाँ, कहाँ पे देखा है हमने? ये कॉमेडी करता है ना, हमें हंसाता है. So it's a joker. So together they picked a few other shapes and made a joker. You can also make a joker out of paper and stick it on your wall. See, I have made a board on my own with a paper. So you can also make a board like that and stick pictures or anything that you write there. Means the board that you'll have at home. Okay, let's continue. Now they are happily playing in the ground. So this is quarantine time. You people don't go out in ground right now. When things are fine, then you go. Abhi, you enjoy the story. So now next page is all red with circles and more circles. क्या बनाया इन्होंने? क्या बनाया? Right, elephant. Let's see next what have they tried. Elephant को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? हाथी. Oh, now see, both are so happy. और फिर क्या बनाया? Either it looked like a fish, cat, or a dog, or whatever you can imagine. You're free to imagine. And when you play together, when you share everything with each other, what are you? You are happy like them. है ना? See. It's like a tree that they have made. See? Tree and flowers on the tree. Have you seen this somewhere? Do you find in your garden? Guess what it is? Yes, a butterfly. So they made from this circular balloon butterfly's body and flower के petal से क्या बनाया है उन्होंने? उसके wings. It can be, it looks like a butterfly also or a bee. More of a bee? More of a bee. And they are so happy to create this shape. And the end, what happens? लड़ाई खत्म हो चुकी है. They never fought. They are happy. They love each other. And the red balloon. And now we'll see the story. What does the author says? So the story says, I'll just read out the story so that you'll be able to understand. Listen carefully. A pair of red and yellow balloons appear on an alien Earth. A brother and a sister live there. So it's not a planet or Earth like where we live. Okay, because you saw these people don't look like us. They have never seen balloons before. They are excited and want to explore. They apply their imagination to create different things out of the balloons, like you used your imagination. One day, the sister loses the balloon, the yellow balloon. Her brother is kind-hearted and shares his balloon with her. Together, they continue to find new ways to play and create fresh shapes with the balloon. So, the story comes to an end with these balloons. So, hope so you enjoyed listening to the story and imagining what you can think through these pictures and images. Parents, I like to say that these picture books and stories really help your children to develop their brain cognitively. The cognitive part of the brain develops, and it helps them to think, analyze, and imagine, and it will really help them in future. So I come to an end with the story. Children, keep listening to my stories. So do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Bye for today.